If you clicked this vid, I am assuming you own an air fryer and want to learn how to make fish and chips. That's pretty easy with one, and much safer than frying the fish and fries in oil. Let's take a look at the recipe. To make fish and chips, you're going to need some potatoes and some fish to fry. Let's start with the French fries because these take longer to cook. For the French fries, you'll need 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes, some olive oil, and whatever seasoning you like on your fries. In my case, I'm using some salt, garlic powder, a pinch of chili powder, and some oregano. These potatoes need to be washed and then sliced into long strips. Once cut, place the potatoes into a bowl with olive oil and get them coated. Then the seasonings can be tossed in and the process repeated. With the potatoes coated generously with oil and seasoning, they can be loaded into the air fryer. The fries cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Halfway through cooking, you'll want to remove the basket and shake them up for more even crisping. Then you just set it and forget it. Now, as those fries are cooking, let's start on the fish. I have some nice fillets of cod here, but you can use any white fish for this. Maybe even salmon too if you're ambitious. The recipe for this breading was based on the one from Feel Good Foodie, which I'll link to in the description below. For the breading, you'll need 3 bowls for the following 3 coatings. First is the flour coating, which you'll need half a cup of flour, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of chili powder. Next is the egg wash, with 2 eggs beaten pretty well. And finally, the fish will be coated in panko, so you'll need about 1 to 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Alternatively, if you don't have panko, you can double up on the flour coating. But trust me, the breadcrumb coating makes these fish so much crispier. The fish is sliced into about 5-inch long strips. Well, the fries are ready. Let's see if I can, not eat them before I do the fish. Looking fantastic, though. Alright, let's do some fish frying. Before being dipped into the flour seasoning mix. This is followed by the egg wash, and then the panko breadcrumbs. The breaded pieces of fish then go into the air fryer basket. At this point, the recipe called to spray the fillets with oil. This does help make the fish crispier at the end, so a little cooking spray can be used for that. The fillets cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 14 minutes. Halfway through cooking, you'll want to flip the fish over so both sides of the breading brown pretty evenly.
Oh, look at those so far. Flip them. Crumb. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at this. Put them in the fish.
Now that's a pretty good looking fillet of fish. Let's see how these fish and chips taste, and how crunchy they are. Well, folks, we just finished making our fish and chips, and I brought the mic out so you could hear how crunchy it was, or how crunchy it is, because I'm sure you'd love to hear how crunchy this fish is. Let's see. That is fantastic. This thing's pretty good. I mean, not the same as your typical oil-based fish, but you know, you just kind of throw it in there and it makes the fish. And you don't have to worry about oil boiling over, in my case. Let's look at the fries now. Oh yeah, I'm sure you heard that. This thing's awesome. So check out the link in the description below. There'll be an affiliate link for if you want to purchase an air fryer like this one. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this food. See you all in the next video. Whoops.